Orono Activity Center. Please come on in.
The district has been working on an activity center for 25 years. Today, it actually got passed in 2016 at $27.4 million. We created a community center. We have 6 little cities in our district, and none of them are going to have the ability to build a community center like a Plymouth would or a Minnetonka. So we wanted to do that for those cities and combine an activity center and a community center together. This is open all day to the public. We spent a lot of time on research. We toured numerous facilities, and the question we asked everywhere we went was, what would you do different? We were able to incorporate so many of those pieces. So right now we're in the community fitness room. One of the really unique features is we wanted the facility to be really open and airy, but at the same time usable. So for example, if there's a big basketball tournament in and we've got 500 kids and it's really loud, we still want the community to be able to come in and work out. So what we installed were these 2 large bifold glass doors that can be closed. So right now we are in the new weight room facility. This is approximately double the size of the old weight room facility. It is a state-of-the-art equipment, same equipment that the Minnesota Vikings are using. Now we are in the main lobby of the activity center. So this is your primary gathering place. One of the really exciting features our district was able to have installed are the 6 pillars of character behind me, which are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. So one of the unique aspects of this activity center is we use the Mondo brand sport court flooring. So if you're looking over here on kind of the main middle 3 courts, there's a little bit of texture to that, but not a lot. The reason we chose a little bit of texture versus, for example, a wood floor is it works better for other sports. And then the outer 2 courts and the track area are actually a competition grade track material. And the reason we did that is we can host competition track meets. You can actually wear spikes on this material and do no damage to it. And then finally behind me, and probably the most unique aspect of this facility, is we have the ability to roll out turf to cover 3 basketball courts. So another great way we can utilize space in this facility is the ability to switch between sports quickly. So behind me you see a volleyball net that actually drops out of the ceiling. We can turn between basketball and volleyball or any other sport and volleyball very, very quickly. It's playable for just about every sport. So it's trying to find that blend of how can we maximize the usage? And I feel we've gone really above and beyond in that. It's just a step above. And we really want to thank our community for allowing us to do that.